Hey everyone, welcome back to a new one. We learned how you can change the search engine by using Google Chrome. It's very simple, but first of all, I request all of you just do a subscribe and hit the bell icon for more technical videos and contents. If you want to change a search engine on your Google Chrome, you need to open your Google Chrome. I am clicking it and it's done. I opened Google Chrome and here you can see there the Google search engine is enabled on my Google Chrome. But now I want to change the Google search engine from my Google Chrome. How you can do that? Just click the three dots on right top corner and here you need to choose the setting icon. Okay, when you open your settings, then you need to click on the search engine, which is the first option in basics. Just click here and you can see here there are 5 search engines are available in your Google Chrome, just like Yahoo, Microsoft Bing, Yandex, DuckDuckGo. So whatever you want to choose, I want to choose here Microsoft Bing. Then just tapping on that, you can easily change search engine on your Google Chrome. It's very simple and I hope so this short tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.